If you're in the beautiful city of San Jose and find yourself facing the daunting task of pool or hot tub removal, you're in for a treat today. At Zero Junk, we believe in going above and beyond for our clients. Our team is not only fully trained, but also equipped to handle the teardown, removal, and relocation of your hot tub or pool. We understand the value of your property, and that's why our experts ensure a seamless and professional process from start to finish. We take immense pride in delivering 100% client satisfaction. Our mission is to provide you with exceptional and professional services at fair prices. With Zero Junk, you not only get rid of your old hot tub or pool hassle-free, but also experience top-notch service that won't break the bank. What sets us apart is our commitment to the environment and sustainability. Every item we remove, whether it's from a hot tub or an in-ground pool, is carefully examined. If it can be reused or repurposed, we ensure it finds a second home. For items that can't be repurposed, our team responsibly discards them in respective recycling centers. So, if you're looking for professional, efficient, and environmentally conscious hot tub removal or in-ground pool cleanup services in San Jose, look no further than Zero Junk. Reach out to our team today for a hassle-free experience.